during one of the most challenging times last year. I called Babton and he said to me, I'm here anytime because you've been there for me when I needed you most. I'll forever be grateful for his unwavering support. After not seeing him for a while, I came back to Joburg and got Baba sengifile. Wathi ahamba ngangibonanga. I'm grateful I went to see him that Wednesday, not knowing what the following Wednesday he would no longer be with us. It allowed him to meet my daughter at Umsuhulu. He said, take a picture of us. But she went to him and I took that picture, which I'll cherish forever. We went through so much over the years.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Asavela Mgqithi crying uncontrollable emgwabeni awadon emlangeni udon emlangeni ushiye emhlabeni this week, and abantu abaningi beve buhlungu ngendlela lesimanga udon emlangeni bekayi actor guys from Fantuka Smati kubo Stingo udlale natukwe udlala ku-Good is Nice guys, u-acted ukuthi itori letiningi kakhulu nami nje noma ngatibala kuyoze kushone ilanga solo ngibala, and bala abaningi beve buhlungu kakhulu ngalesikhani kuvakala tindzaba ukuthi sosishiyile emhlabeni since sikase sive ukuthi mhlawumbe uyagula or anything. Kushiya kwakhe sengakeva ukuthi ushiya angizathula isithini, so umndeni nje ushilo ukuthi uqela ukuthi uhlonishwe, unikwe isikhathi ne-privacy ngalesikhathi lesimadima ngalendlela lesimanga. And people are even saying ukuthi laphana akulabi badlala lapha kwesidumo guys, it's Good is Nice rather sekusele ithoko kuphela, bonke sebasishiyile emhlabeni, which is sad of course. Kubuhlungu ngendlela esimanga ukuthi bonke abasekho. It's true when they say ayolala amaqhawe ke, but Diyosala tibongo. Please do comment what you think below down comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.